Hello everybody, welcome to our new video.
We are ready to leave to the city. We still
have our laundry here inside on the drying rack.
We go now. It's a little bit late, it's 1:30. We go to the city. So we walk to the bus and then we take the metro. And tonight I have to come back here because I have a Spanish lesson at 7 o'clock. So we have to be back here before 7 so I can take my lesson.
We are coming to the Bastion de los Pescadores now.
On which side we have to leave the tram? That side or that side?
This side.
Yeah? Okay, then we have to sit here. And we can choose where we want to sit.
Now we are coming to the Bastion de los Pescadores. I don't know how is the name in English.
Yes, I don't even know where we're going. I follow you.
Yes.
This is our stop. We have to go out and then we get on the tram?
Bus.
On the bus. Okay, we are almost there. And then I can see where we're going. I don't know. So today we had our tickets because we bought the 24-hour tickets. And now they checked our tickets for the first time.
Yeah.
So we were lucky. Because we have tickets.
Because we, ¿cómo se dice? Travel free?
Yeah, the first.
Travel
Yeah.
free.
You're the tour guide today. Tell us where to go. I follow you today. Back inside? Oh yeah. Let's see where the tour guide brings us today. There's also a small Christmas market. Very small, but okay, here we wait. Okay, we are there. Let's see where you take us. Look there, there's the place where we go on the boat yesterday.
Now we are in the Bastion de los Pescadores. I don't know the name in English yet.
Yeah.
Amazing view.
It's a little bit foggy today, huh?
Yes. And almost dark. We have to hurry up.
No, we have 1 hour and 10 minutes left. Look the difference. This is a real traditional Hungarian dish. We never had it before. Yeah, you had, but not this one. And we're going to try this with the meat on top. Looks good.
So,
Now we're going to try.
yes. 15 euros,
50 cents.
50 cents.
But we can try.
A little bit expensive, but I hope it's good.
It better be good for that money.
10 puntos.
Zit er allemaal niet in hoor, dit is goed water. Van de kapijt. Okay, now it's time for the hot chocolate. Going to check if they have it here. I think so. We have a very nice seat with this view.
Yes.
And nice and warm because outside it's pretty cold now. Thank you. Look at this. We got out of the bus here at the chain bridge. We can, I think we walk to the other side and then 1 kilometer in the city center there's the big Ferris wheel. With that small Christmas market where we were in the beginning, where we hopped on the bus.
Wait, sorry, Mariam.
And yes, another Christmas market, number 50 I think. The favorite of Argendutch.
Yes, my favorite place.
I also like it, but after 2 or 3 markets I have enough, but it's all the same. But it's nice. Look, a sky bar up there. We need to buy a magnet. We save magnets from every country. But it's both nice, but both different, huh?
After when you drink this one, you will feel the boom inside. Is it okay?
It's okay. This is the most fruit we've seen until now, I think.
Really nice food.
Yeah. Mountains of food.
Well, we never see a lot of food in other market, right?
Not so much as this. Big mountains with meat.
This is like with potatoes, with papitas.
Yeah.
Have lettuce?
I never see that before. We are back in the camper. We are going to drive. We are going to stay tonight in a free place close to Budapest, next to the city. It's a free parking place. I just paid for the 2 extra nights and now we're going to leave. Argendutch is getting the bed sheets. They are still there drying. I'm going to open the things for the window and then we're going to drive and fill the water there and then leave. This is where we're going to sleep, on the parking of a hotel. Nice place. Now we have work to do. We have a lot of things to do on the laptop, so we are going to start now. We see you in the morning.
Bye.
We are still at the parking. It's already 4:30. We are late, very late. But I'm waiting on the video for uploading.
Yes. And
And
we're going to go.
to Vienna. We go to Vienna.
Yay.
And
At
I
the
think.
best Christmas market.
Oh yeah, that we didn't
There.
tell that.
Yay.
This is the best and I don't know what, the most beautiful, the biggest or what?
The more beautiful, I think.
The
But
most beautiful
all
Christmas
of
market.
them is beautiful, but I think this is bigger and beautiful and
You have the whole world, so this is the most beautiful Christmas market of the world. So we've seen a lot, so we can decide if it's true or not. Huh? We know, we know. We're going to eat something really fast and then the vlog is online. And if we eat, we leave. 3 hours drive to Vienna. We already bought the e-vignette, so we can drive on the highways there. Some highways you have to pay toll. So we have to look a little bit there. Then we stay on a free parking. And then I hope we are on time for the market, and otherwise we stay another day and then we go tomorrow because this is the most beautiful also we want to see. And there is an ice skating track in the middle of the market.
Yes.
Not a round one, but a whole track, right?
Ice skating, yes.
So we're going to see.
We're in Vienna. Now we found a parking in a place we don't know if safe.
It looks really, I don't know.
Yes, nobody's here, so don't look safe.
No, if they want to break in here, they have all the time and the space to do it. I have extra locks on all the doors. I have all the doors locked plus extra lock, also the other side and the garage. So that's all we can do right now. And I have an alarm system also. This is the place. It's like a dead end, and in the weekend you can park here for free. It's not a street where the cars drive, so I'm a little bit on the road, but it only goes until here. I think it's good. So we walked in the bus, we don't know where we go. We just go one stop and we get out, okay? No idea where we're going. Now we jumped out of the bus because we didn't have a ticket and I don't want to stay too long. You never know. And now we are here. We have no idea where we are, but
Hi.
Maybe-
Did you see the light?
red light.
The red, but have the hands in.
Yeah. Maybe I can show it here.
Yeah. Like a friend.
Yeah, they hug each other. You have to wait like this here. So you have to wait. If it's green, you can walk. Yeah. Now I have to do like this.
Yes.
Look, they never see that before, huh?
Yeah.
And of course, the electric scooters, always here. Too late again. We're just going to walk. Big city, a lot of restaurants are open, I think around 9. What is the time? It is 9:30. But
Late.
yes, but some restaurants are open until 11, I think 12. We can find something. We found something. It's inside here. It's a Mexican restaurant. I don't know what that is. Cafe, bar, Burger King. So we are going up here and check if we can eat something.
Yes, we already see this place when we arrived.
We were looking for this and now we see it.
Yes.
We found a shortcut. Do you like Subway?
I have Subway in my country also.
Yeah, but do you like it? I eat it sometimes, it's nice.
Yeah.
Here's the Mexican grill, that looks really nice. There. What is this? This is Cafe Restaurant Bar. Okay, we have a place. We ordered a nice meal to share and we have this whole corner to ourselves. So that's nice. With the view on the street. It's a lot, but I did not understand what he was saying. Maar het ziet er goed uit. Is this vegetarian or something?
No.
Where's the meat?
Here. This is chicken. This is.
Oh, okay. That's good. I was scared. Tastes good.
Nice.
Now we walk back to the camper. The food was really good. It's raining a little bit now and we have to walk for 20 minutes, I think. Then we still have to make the bed because all the bed sheets are still on the bed. So we have to make the bed first. We are back. The camper is still here and all the windows are still in the camper. So I think it's fine. We walked all the way back. 2 kilometers, I think.
No, I don't know.
1.8. This is the end of the video. Tomorrow morning we're going to the city of Vienna. We're going to see the nicest,
Christmas market.
yeah, the most beautiful market in the world. We didn't have time today, but tomorrow we're going to visit.
I hope it's not too busy tomorrow.
Tomorrow it's Sunday, so I think it's very busy. Thank you for watching.
I hope to see you on Wednesday in a new video.
Bye.